Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. Very good morning to all of you. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. I hope you all are fine
Yes, ma'am.
and done with the breakfast,
Yes, ma'am.
or you are waiting for your breakfast.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
That's good if you are done. Are you ready for today's class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before starting the class, please write your name in the chat box. Everyone, please.
Ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, let's start our day.
The name of Allah Ta'ala.
Excellent. But before, we have to revise the Zoom
Ma'am,
tips.
what is it?
Sorry?
Ma'am, what is it?
I tell you later. Just revise the Zoom tips.
Ma'am, TH is CW.
I tell you later, beta. Noor, wait for me. Yes, mute yourself. Be on time. Turn on your camera. Come prepared. Come with your things. Sit still. Be respectful to each other. Find a quiet place. Raise your hand if you want to say something. And no eating.
No eating.
So everyone raise your hand for dua. Dua for learning. Start your day in the name of Allah Ta'ala. Decide.
Rabbi Zidni Ilma. Oh Allah, increase us in knowledge. Ameen.
Ameen. MashaAllah. Very good. 5.
Thank you, ma'am.
Everyone has to participate in the class. Okay. Try to speak together.
Okay, ma'am. Baba, my C3 is very C3.
Noor, are you feeling okay?
No. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What you need for today's lesson? Look at my screen. The first one is Maths Workbook C3.
Yes, ma'am.
One pencil and eraser. And some
Yes,
colors.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Make sure you have all these things near to you so you can do your work easily.
Yes. Pencil here.
What are the objectives? What we are going to learn today? The first one is reinforce comparison of mass. Reinforce the use of non-standard units for measurement of mass. We're going to revise the concepts of heavy and light through mass.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. Everyone open page number 43. Maths Workbook C3, page number 43, unit number 6. The last unit of this book.
Baba.
What is the date today?
2021 space is again space and today is Wednesday. WEDNESDAY Wednesday.
Wednesday. The day is Wednesday. The word is Wednesday. Okay, don't say Wednesday.
Okay, ma'am. And today is 20.
Yes, 20.1.2021 2021. Start writing your date.
Because Happy New Year has left. Now it's 2021.
Yes, 2021. The new year is here. Then space H.T again space and the day is Wednesday. W should be capital in Wednesday.
Okay, ma'am. Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam.
This one. Right handed.
Ali, are you done with the date?
No, ma'am.
Ali Ahmed.
Ma'am, me too. I'm not done with the day. I'm done.
Okay, good. Where you are going to write top of the page. Write your date in a proper format.
Ma'am, I'm not done with the date and day and home class.
You all are done with the date?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, no, ma'am.
Okay, Valia, hurry up. Please be on time. Page number 43 we are doing.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, this one page. Did you write your date top of the page, Saad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Vanya, hurry
Yes,
up, beta. I'm
ma'am.
waiting for you.
What is that? Ma'am, done.
Okay, that's good.
Ma'am, done.
6.3, and these activities are about heavier light. As you already have done this concept, we're gonna revise it. They're asking circle the correct answers. The first one is, which is heavier? There are 3 seesaw on your page. Can you see any seesaw on this page?
Yes, ma'am. There are 3 seesaws.
3 seesaws, very good. Okay, on the first seesaw, there is a wool bag and 1 sheep. So which side is
Yes,
heavier?
sheep.
The wool bag or the sheep's side?
Sheep.
Sheep.
Sheep is heavy, ma'am.
Yes, sheep side is down. It means sheep is heavier. So you are going to circle sheep.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I circle. Ma'am, I done. Yes, ma'am.
Go to next. Which is lighter? There is a elephant and wool bag. Now which side is lighter?
Wool bag. Wool bag.
Why this side is lighter?
Wool bag. Wool bag.
Okay, why? But why?
Because the wool bag. Wool is not heavier.
Wool side is up, so that means that side is lighter. So circle wool bag. And the last one is, which is heavier, wool bag or puppy?
Puppy.
circle, puppy.
Puppy is small. Ma'am, I done. Ma'am, me too.
I hope you all are done with this page. Is it easy for you?
Yes. Very easy.
Go to next page, page number 44.
And this is the last page.
Yes, this is the last page of this book.
Yes, ma'am. Last. C4.
One unit is left.
Mama.
That is about clock. We will do it in the school. Unit number 4 from C3. That is left. Anyhow, write the same date, top of the page, 20.1.2021, space H.T again space, and the day is Wednesday. W should be capital in Wednesday. Saad, please turn on your camera. Thank you. Anaya, you too, please turn on your camera.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Done. Ma'am, done. Ma'am.
Okay, now you all are done?
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
What we have to do? Count and... Okay, good. Count and filling the blanks. The first one is, one fish is as heavy as dash eggs. How many eggs with fish? Count the... Yes, 4. There are 4 eggs with the fish, but fish is still heavy.
Yes, ma'am.
So write number
Yes, ma'am.
4 in first blank.
Done.
One fish is as heavy as 4 eggs. Write number 4 in a first blank.
Yes, ma'am. 3.
Wait a
Ma'am,
sec, Saad.
Ma'am, next egg is 3.
3. One crab is as heavy as... How many eggs with crabs now? 3 eggs. Very good. Write number 3 in a second blank.
Ma'am, done.
One crab is as heavy as 3 eggs. Try to read while writing. Try to read the sentences. Try to read the words as well. And last blank, the filling the blank with heavier or lighter. You have 2 options now. Heavier or lighter.
Ma'am, fish is heavier.
Excellent. The fish is dashed than the crab. Why fish is heavier here? Noor?
Because she's big.
There are 4 eggs on this page. If we're comparing here, there are 4 eggs with 1 fish and 3 eggs with 1 crab. So, which number is bigger, 3 or 4? 4. So, the fish is heavier here. Write the spellings of heavier. Don't shout, please. Write the word heavier in a blank, last blank. H-E-A-V-I-E-R. Heavier. The fish is heavier than the crab.
Done, ma'am.
You all are done?
Yes. No, ma'am.
Who's still writing?
Ma'am, done. Done.
All done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is there any page left from this unit?
Yes, ma'am.
Which page is left now?
Ma'am, 0. 0 pages are left.
Yes. This unit is finished. In fact, this book is finished except of unit 4. Unit 4 we will do in the school. that is about clock. Is it easy for you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
It was very easy. Anyhow, let's revise. What did you learn from this unit? How many concepts? Who can tell me?
Unit 4.
Yes, unit 4 is left.
Not completed.
Yes, I know. I told you unit 4 is left. Thank you, Sanan. But now I'm asking about this unit number 6, which you have done. What did you learn from this unit? Which concepts? Can you tell me the names of concepts which you
Heavy.
revised? Heavy or?
and light.
Yes, heavy and light. What else?
Heavy and light.
What did you revise yesterday? If you go on back,
Heavy and light.
page number 42.
Done.
Which concepts did you revise there?
Addition and subtraction.
Excellent. Addition and subtraction.
Ma'am, 42 is subtraction.
And on page number 41, which concept was there?
Egg.
What you did with eggs?
Circle it. Minus grouping and subtraction.
Excellent. You made groups.
Groups.
You made groups of eggs. So you revised the concept of making groups. How you can make groups with different numbers, with different objects. Can you make with your toys as well?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, there is an activity for you guys. You have time right now. It's 11:10. 10 minutes are left for your class, but you are going to do your activity. And activity is you have to find out which toy is heavy or which toy is light. You need to find them and make them separately.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Noor?
Ma'am. This one.
No, I'm asking about your toys.
My toy.
Yes, you need to take your toys. Then you have to revise all these concepts with your toys.
My robot car is heavy and my tiger is light. Ma'am,
Just because it is a stuffed toy. Okay.
This is heavy and this is light.
Okay, don't do right now. I'm giving you 10 minutes. After this class, you have to do. You need to find out the heavier light toys. Then, okay, Ali, listen me first. Okay, good, Ali. Then you have to revise the concept of addition and subtraction with your toys. And then you have to make the groups with your toys in different sizes. Saad, you can do it later. I'm just telling you right now what you have to do, which concept you are going to revise with your toys. But not right now. After this class, you can do this activity. I'm giving you 10 minutes for this activity. And while doing this activity, you are going to make your, it's up to you, you want to make video or you want to make pictures. Then you can share with us. I will be waiting for your pictures.
Ma'am, my doll is heavy.
Yes.
My doll is heavy and my is lighter.
Okay, good.
My old toy is downstairs.
That's why I said you can do this activity later.
And my skateboard is lighter.
Okay, good, Ali. Okay, I'm leaving this class. It's time to leave the class. The last 10 minutes, are for your activity. You can do your activity right now after leaving the class. But before leaving the class, you have to mark your attendance in the chat box. I'm waiting for your activity pictures.
Activity period. Ma'am, which page?
Page number 43 and 44. We have done. You are late, Fabia. Please be on time.
Mama ji, ma'am, my light was called.
Oh. Okay, this lecture will be posted on GC. Fabia, you can attend your class over there and you can do your work.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Thank you for joining me. Take care of yourself.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Ali. Thank you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. But don't forget to do your activity. Allah Hafiz.